Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Azure regions. Azure regions, there are 58 worldwide and they're available over 140 countries. So in North America, in Europe, in West India, South India, some in Israel, some in China, some in Southeast Asia. So Asia has more global regions than any other cloud provider, offering the scale needed to bring application closer to users around the world, preserving data residency, and offering comprehensive compliance and resiliency options for customers. So regions are a set of data center deployed within a latency-defined perimeter and connected to a dedicated regional low latency network. So when deploying resources in Azure, we need to select the region and the high availability options. So the geographies in Azure clouds regions are organized into geographies. It's a discrete market, typically containing two or more regions to preserve data residency and compliance. So think of it like North America, where Canada and USA and Mexico. So each region is part of a single geography and specific service availability, compliance, and data residency apply. So these are the regions. We got United States and Canada and Brazil. So availability zones are physically separate data centers within an Azure region. They're with independent power, network, and cooling. So in the West European region, it could have 3 of them, and they're all independent. So if one goes down, there's 2 more that are backup for that. So here it says availability is the unique physical locations within a region. Each zone is made up of 1 or more data centers equipped with independent power, cooling, and networking. And if one of those goes out, we got 2 more to back it up. Resource Manager. So when a user sends a request from any of the Azure tools like API or SDKs, the Resource Manager receives the request. It authenticates and authorizes the request. The Resource Manager sends the request to Azure Service, which takes the requested action. Because all requests are handled through the same API, you see consistent results and capabilities. So the Azure portal goes to the SDKs and everything here goes down to Azure Resource Manager. You can see the flow chart, and this way all capabilities that are available in the portal are also available through PowerShell, Azure CLI, REST of APIs, and client SDKs. Functionality initially released through API will be represented in the portal within 180 days of initial release. So core Azure architectural components such as regions, resource groups, and availability zones serves as the underlying building blocks for any Azure solution that gets deployed. Azure Resource Manager is used to manage these building blocks and the solutions that are built upon them. While Azure regions dictate where Azure resources are deployed, availability zones are used to provide redundancy for those resources that are deployed. Resource groups are used to group and manage related Azure resources that have been deployed to support an overall solution. By understanding these key architectural components, you will have a better understanding of how Azure solutions are built and supported. So the benefits of using Resource Manager: you can manage your infrastructure through templates rather than scripts. You can deploy, manage, and monitor all the resources for your solution as a group. You can deploy your solution through the development cycle and have confidence your resources are deployed in a consistent state. You can apply tags to resources logically to organize all the resources in your subscription. You can clarify your organization billing by viewing costs, which helps the organization. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Network Cookie.